Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the back button right here to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called General Settings and then tap on it. Here, look for the option called Display Brightness, and once you find it, you can tap on it, and we have 3 levels of brightness. We have low, medium, and high. Select the brightness level you like by tapping on it, and it will be applied, and after that you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.